This video presentation is prepared as part of the portfolio requirement for the Events Management Services NC3 training. All content, activities, and materials presented herein are intended only for academic and competency-based assessment purposes under TESDA guidelines. TESDA upholds the credibility, integrity, and authenticity of all outputs, ensuring that each task and performance requirement reflects the genuine skills, knowledge, and efforts of its scholars. Any unauthorized reproduction, misrepresentation, or misuse of this material is strictly prohibited. Hi, good day to everyone. I'm Kevin Edward Manansala, the General Manager and overall Events Director of One Kaganapan Events Management. Today, I'm here to present to you our portfolio for the proposal of the pinning ceremonies for 2026. To start with, we are One Kaganapan Events Management. Our tagline is turning plans into perfect kaganapan. To share with you, One Kaganapan Events Management is a proudly Filipino event solutions established by yours truly, grounded in the belief that every milestone, it may be big or small, deserves to be celebrated with excellence, intention, and heart. Inspired by the Filipino word kaganapan, it means fulfillment, completion, and realization. The company exists to bring every client's vision to life and transform moments into meaningful experiences. So our mission is to deliver exceptional events that capture the essence of every celebration, providing seamless planning, innovative concepts, and heartfelt service that exist expectations. Our vision is to become one of the Philippines' most trusted and preferred events management companies, known for creating meaningful, high quality, and unforgettable kaganapan for families, schools, corporations, and communities. I'm here to present to you the core of the One Kaganapan Events Management Team. Yours truly is the General Manager and overall Event Director. So I have with me Miss Kate Lee Manalili. She's the Events Coordinator and Logistics Officer. Also with me, Miss Kate Manyaol. She's the Marketing and PRO of the company. With us also is Miss Perilyn Malahat. She's the Finance and IT Officer. And um, last but not the least, Miss Clyde Malyari. She's the Administrative and People Management Officer. Our target audience are families and individuals, academic institutions, corporate and business clients, and government and non-government organizations. One Kaganapan Events Management serves a diverse range of clients across personal, academic, and corporate sectors. Our services are designed to meet the needs of individuals, families, institutions, and organizations seeking reliable, creative, and professional event solutions. So One Kaganapan offers a complete suite of event management services designed to bring every celebration, program, or corporate function to life with precision, creativity, and heart. We ensure that each event is thoughtfully planned, seamlessly executed, and aligned with the client's purpose and vision. So we have our company services. So from full event planning and coordination, event styling, printing services, social events, photo and video coverage, hosting, flower arrangement, up to catering services. So some of the programs that we have catered already are pinning ceremonies, international conventions, corporate gatherings, and government fora. So our package includes our basic, standard, and premium package. So I'm presenting to you now some of the sample products and souvenirs that we have exhibited for the past pinning ceremonies that we have catered. Also included in this portfolio are our proposed venue. I have presented 3 proposed venue within the province of Pampanga, particularly in the cities of Angeles and Malacat. So I'm also presenting to you now the food packages that we have in our company. So here are our corporate partners, collaborators, and sponsors. I'm presenting to you now the proposal letter that we have submitted to the office for the event brief. So this is the nursing capping and pinning ceremony. I am presenting to you the theme, Embracing the Call to Care, a journey of compassion and excellence. So this is a recognition ceremony for nursing students. The proposed date and time would be 30 March 2026 from 8 in the morning up until 2 in the afternoon. So the venue is still for approval. Our proposed budget is 798,000, good for the 500 candidates for the capping and pinning ceremony with their parents. So our target participants are the academic and non-academic personnel from the College of Nursing, nursing students with their parents and guests. So here are some of the actual events from the venue where we have catered capping, pinning, and candle lighting ceremony for nursing students. This is our proposed program invitation. I'm also flashing now on the screen the stage decoration. I'm also flashing now on the screen the stage decoration. I have included in the portfolio the budget or costing. I have included in the portfolio the budget or costing. Here is the floor plan also. Here is the floor plan also for the pinning ceremony. And I have included the portfolio, the timeline. And I have included the portfolio, the timeline. And I have included the portfolio, the timeline. And I have event flow, event checklist, and 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 event emergency response. Moreover, I have added also the risk management plan for the said event and the emergency hotlines. I'm presenting to you now the DTI, BIR, and Mayor's Permit. I'm presenting to you now the DTI. I have also emailed to you the sample contract and MOA related to this portfolio or proposal for the pinning ceremony. So, should you have more questions about One Kaganapan Events Management, you may contact me via email, that's kevinedwardmanansala@gmail.com, or through my mobile numbers. They're also available in Viber, Telegram, and WhatsApp. You may also reach me via Facebook and Facebook Messenger. That's at Kevin Manansala PH. Also, I have my Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok accounts.